Hi everyone, this is Landon with the Dent Connection in Marble Falls, Texas, and we are located at 2503 Commerce, and we also serve the Fredericksburg, Texas and Kerrville, Texas area. Anyways, our latest project is I have an F250 out there, aluminum, and I'm going to walk you out there and show you what we're going to work on. And we're going to be doing a little paintless dent repair on the passenger front door. It's got a pretty good sized little door ding on it. So anyways, I want to show you how we do it so you can check it out. All right, here's our F250. See, we got a pretty good sized door ding right here we're going to work on. Okay, I'm going to pull it around and we'll get started. All right, I've got the vehicle in here, so the first thing we got to do is figure out how we're going to access the back side of this dent here, which you can really see the dent really well right here now inside with the LED lights on it. So to do paintless dent repair, we need to get to the back side of the dent somewhere. So I should go right here. Take a look at what we got here. And we're looking for some way that we can get a quick access to the back side. Just looking on here, and I know that this little plug right here, this rubbery plastic plug right here, should give us access. So I'll pull that out. Feeling around in there. I think that's going to work. We're going to try that and see if that gets us started. So I'm going to get set up. And I've selected this tool right here because it's got this nice hook on it right here, and I'm hoping it's going to be able to come from this hole down here and then come on up and then get right behind this dent and then just be able to start working it real slowly out. Okay, just to clean it up a little bit more, I got a little sanding block here. I'm just going to kind of lightly sand the paint on the outside, and that's going to kind of clean it up a little bit. All right, I'm going to bring you a little closer now. You kind of see the final result of the repair. Repair came out really, really good. There's just a little bitty divot inside there from the whatever hit the door was real pointed. So it's kind of put an indentation, very tiny indentation, but 99% of the dent is gone with no painting. If it wasn't quite that deep, we'd get 100% of it out. But I'll let you check it out. Hold on just a second. So you can see just a very, very tiny divot in there, and like I said, whatever hit it was real pointed. If the object wouldn't have been quite as pointed, it would have really come out really good. But gee, I mean, you think about this, it's aluminum. It would be so expensive to fix this door in a body shop. The paint would be hard to match, and it would never be quite the same if it was painted, even though most body shops do a really good job. It's just, it's not quite the same as the factory paint. Put the little piece back in there. Nobody ever know we were even there. And I'll pull it around outside and I'll show you what it looks like outside, but outside it'll even look better than it does inside. Just really hard to see with the natural daylight on it. Okay, I got it parked back out front. Let's go out there and check it out. All right, you can see that that came out really good. I mean, there's just virtually nothing there anymore, so job well done. So in closing, I hope you learned just some kind of basic ideas of what we do with Paintless Dent Repair and here at Dent Connection. And you know, most small dings just like that one can be fixed in 30 minutes to an hour. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. It just depends on how quick we can access it. Sometimes we have to do quite a bit of discovery and like figuring out how to get to something, because there's some, we can't see through the door from the outside and all the things that are in the way. So it just takes a little bit sometimes to figure things out. But there are many other ways that we can remove dents just besides with the tool from the backside. That's pretty much the basics and what we use mostly, but there are some other advanced and other tactics, which you can see on some of our other YouTube videos. So I appreciate you tuning in. I hope you learned something. My name's Landon. We've been in business since 1994. We've been in serving Marble Falls since 2000. Family-owned company. So reach out, give me a call if you have a question about something or you're just not sure whether it can be fixed this way. I mean, it's worth a shot to save the paint. If you still have factory paint on your vehicle, it's just so important to keep it because it's going to retain the value of the vehicle, because once it's been repainted, it's never quite the same. So when you get ready to trade it in, they might pick up on it that's been painted, or if you sell it outright. But nevertheless, there's no sense of driving around with a ugly ding on your car and you think you have to leave it at a body shop for several days and it's going to get painted and it's just going to cost too much money. It's just not worth the inconvenience. So consider Dent Connection, consider Paintless Dent Repair in the future. That's all we're just trying to get you to recognize and just educate yourself. So anyways, Landon, Dent Connection, 2503 Commerce, Marble Falls, Texas. We provide mobile service to Fredericksburg, Texas, Kerrville, Texas, and the surrounding hill country, Horseshoe Bay. Phone number is 830-660-0580. You can take a picture of your dents, like the one we just saw on there. You can text the picture to me and I can give you an estimate a lot of times just based on the picture, and that'll help even save you some more time. You don't even have to make an appointment to come in for that. So just keep that in mind. And what else can I tell you? Oh, visit our website, dentconnection.com. We have some more videos on there, some more information on there. Anyways, I appreciate you watching the YouTube videos. Check out our YouTube channel. We're on Facebook. Look us up there, Kerrville. We have a Facebook page for Kerrville. We have a Facebook page for Marble Falls. Dent Connection, 830-660-0580. Thanks again.